Hey everyone, it's Lou with Dent Repair Now. We're here today repairing a 2015 Nissan Rogue. Dent on the body line and the right front door. As you can see, it's right here. We'll go in for a closer look right now. Alright, here we are on the right front door. So you can see something hit her and it scraped. I buffed all the scratches out already. And you can see a high spot right here. The dent goes all the way down to here, all the way up to there. Another high spot right on top of here. For this dent, since it's so down low on the panel, we actually had to remove the door panel. I'm going to go in right through there. Alright, let's see how it turns out. You can see the paint damage. I didn't want to push on it, but she was all good with having paint damage after. She just wanted the dent to go away. So what do you think after, like, looking at the before? Would you be happy with that if it was your car? Alright, we're all finished up. It took about 2 hours. We'll go in for a closer look so you can see it. Alright guys, I'm all finished up here. I'm getting ready to go get the customer now to show her vehicle. You can schedule a repair at dentrepairnow.com or the number below. Thank you. Have a great day.